I literally am trying this thing where I can manifest a guy. I mean, a guy that I want. Isn't that so ridiculous?
What makes it worth the while? Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it.
What's up, guys? It's your girl, American Gyaru, and I'm back with another what I do on my day off. It's about like 2 p.m. and I literally just like slept. I take my days off pretty seriously, especially when it comes to making sure that I get my good beauty rest, because Lord knows I need it. I just jumped out of the shower because I just felt dirty. My bed's not even made. I have a laundry monster here. Believe it or not, those are actually clean clothes. I don't know about you guys, but I swear I fold my clothes, but then I just shove it in my drawer. And then when I'm taking out items from my drawer, it just gets all messy. So I'm like, why should I fold my clothes? Like, it just doesn't even seem logical. I want to get my car washed and waxed. It's raining a lot. It's actually been pretty temperamental. I live in Hawaii. It's like raining, but then the sun's out, but then it rains again. So it's very bipolar. I actually don't mind it. I'm kind of loving it, low key. It's fine with me. That's my plan. I also am trying to get through my clothes because I definitely want to do a quick donation run to Goodwill to drop off whatever clothes and just some makeups that I've been hoarding and get rid of it so that I can give it to people who can actually like use it. That's kind of what's going on in my head. I don't think I'm gonna be able to go to the donation center today. Not today. Ooh, sorry. That was actually just a note. I literally am trying this thing where I can manifest a guy. I mean, a guy that I want. Isn't that so ridiculous? But my sister and I were talking a while ago, and I just literally just started getting my pen and writing it down one evening. But the truth is, it's like, I don't even really want that, so it's just weird. I think I was just doing an experiment. But anyway, I've been using this Naughty Get Set Grow. It's cruelty-free, it's vegan-friendly, and it's a growth tonic lotion. I need that. I have a red light system that I've been talking about, but I haven't been using it, but I'm going to. And it really works. It grows my hair. I see so many little sprouts and everything growing, so really like that brand. I got that growth serum at TJMAXX, and there was a whole bunch of them. Speaking of TJMAXX dolls, I did make my way to TJMAXX last week, so I have a mini haul that I can definitely do in today's video, so definitely stay tuned. If you like these kinds of girly productive, what I do on my day off vloggies. Oh my gosh, my nippies. Okay, so anyway. And by the way, guys, oh, sorry, I'm putting this shirt on because I don't want my little nips. Oh, it's still coming through. Frick, what am I gonna do? Oh, this is a little bit better. There we go. I feel a little bit more secured. If you're coming on here thinking that I'm that typical it girl video vlogger, you're absolutely out of your mind wrong. I don't do things in any order, but I still get the job done. And look at me trying to be all defensive and secure by saying that. I'm just showing you guys the reality. Like, I still have so much more that I want to do with my room. If you guys have been watching me, like late last year, I started doing my room transformation, and I've just been really busy, you know, with focusing on different things and Christmas and yada yada. You don't want to hear that, but first things first is I'm gonna just make my bed. Moisturize my face, so I'm going in with my Hatomugi skin conditioner. It's like a wheat, or is it like, it feels like it's like a rice water. It's really good. It helps with dull skin. I'm not gonna go crazy. It's my day off, so again, I'm not gonna be wearing makeup. What was that? Oh yeah, that was my makeup. So I'm like almost done with this first bottle. It's a raw sauce. I really like it. It just gives my skin a nice glow. I like to go in with the gua sha tool that it comes with, wake my skin up. Oh, I swear the weather is so crazy. It's literally, it was just pouring and now it's just like sunny. It's crazy. Like I said, I love it, but I'm just really debating to see if I'm even gonna have an opportunity to get my car washed today and wax. I really wanna do that because cleanliness helps. Good hygiene helps. And when my car is feeling dirty, I feel dirty. Staring at these vitamins, I've had these vitamins, but I wanna throw them away. I really do. I just feel like, but then I don't wanna waste them. Are these good for me or not good for me? Because you know when you see those advertisements, vitamin companies are actually harming you. It's like, that's actually pretty good. That was the hair, skin, and nails by Nature's Bounty. I just don't want to waste them. And this is Vitafusion Gummy Vitamins, Energy Support B12. It's really good. All right, you convinced me. I won't throw you away. I still like have eyelash glue on my eyeballs. What else is new? I've been trying to enlarge my crease on my eyeball because I have hooded eyes. So I use these like eye tapes to train them. Yeah, I like that. Very good. And I got these eye tapes from Amazon. So now my eye crease is larger. Very good. I've been using this Haru Wonder Mist spray. It feels so amazing. Woo, so refreshing. It's made in Korea. And I just love this brand, Haru. In fact, speaking of Haru, I actually been trying to use up this really good moisturizer. So cute. It looks like a little coffee cup, and I just have a little bit left. And this is like really good for hydration. Oh, it's like I keep it in the refrigerator. I keep all my skincare in the refrigerator, and when it hits my face, it's just so good because it helps with like puffiness and stuff. And also on my days off, I try to not drink as much like caffeine. So I did have a cup of coffee. When I don't have caffeine or don't drink as much caffeine, then I go through caffeine withdrawals, and that's pretty difficult. I don't know why I was talking about that. Why was I talking about that? Anyway, hydration. Yeah, hydration. Skin feels very nice and moisturized. And then I'm gonna end with sunscreen. So I've been using the Make P Rem. This is another great Korean skincare brand. I really love it. I love their night mask. Now that I have my face all prepped up, I feel like I can get on to my next task of the day. So I'm gonna hit up my laundry. I just kind of feel like I'm getting more and more clothes, but for some reason I feel like I don't have anything to wear. I'm just really, like I mentioned in my other videos, super work focused, career oriented this year, and probably for, I don't know, the next 5 years. I am the type of person who's always very career oriented, or I've always been, but when I had my son, it just made me take a step back. And you know, I had to find that balance, and my son's getting older now, so he's more independent, of course, so I'm kind of now a little bit more back into like career focusing on that area in my life right now. I am saying that because the types of like attire that I really care about wearing is pretty much working clothes and lounge clothes. Anyway, as you can see, this is my laundry monster, so I definitely want to clean that up next because it's just making me feel really shitty.
I don't wanna think too much. I can take my time, no rush. I ain't got no plans for the evening. Maybe we should think about linking. Go to the movies, chill in the park. Play on the swings, don't play with my heart. See a museum, heard you like the arts. Promise there'll be no shock. Do you wanna ride the wave?
Little container that I got from Daiso, which is a dollar store. It's like a perfect place to put your lashes. There you go. And it's ready to travel with you. So my room is pretty much all tidy. Put these away. Water my plants. I'm so proud that Stefan, which is this plant's name, is still alive. Yes. You are so amazing. Drink that water, baby. fallen mill is not surviving. So I'm gonna take her downstairs and put her out to get some sun and replace her with another plant that looks like Stefan. Harry Potter here, which is thriving. Magic baby, how are you doing? I think I have to replant Harry Potter into a bigger pot. To be honest, it's just so luscious. Yeah. Sun is actually back out. I think I'm just gonna go quickly get my car wash. And it would just be my luck that by the time I get there, it will probably be raining. When I get back, we'll definitely do a quick little TJMAXX haul. So stay tuned and keep watching. It's so blurry in here, but anyway, I'm gonna be heading out. I gotta go to the car wash place. Excuse me. Let's go ahead and take care of that right now. Getting my baby all waxed and washed. They do such a good job here. They even do a vacuuming as well.
Wait.
Thank you. You guys do such a great job. Thank you. So it's so fun. Yeah. My favorite place to go. I always take my car here. I have this really cute sunshades, like little donuts. It's so cute. I think I'm gonna get this. I got this really cute, what is this called? Sun shield. So now my car looks pretty beautiful. That's cute. I love this cute little donuts and it covers everything. So, I mean, that's effective. It's all waxed up and glossy. Sorry, my hair is super dry. Condition the babies up. This is my Quay leave-in conditioner. Smells so freaking good. It smells like luxury in a bottle. And it conditions your hair really well and nicely. Okay, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and quickly get started in our TJMAXX haul. So of course they had all their like Easter, they had all their spring items as well. So I just couldn't help myself. I got this really cute like carrot pillow. It's so adorable and I don't really like the tassels. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut them off. So this is from the brand Seasonal Decor, luxurious feather fill. Okay, so it's feather, so that's why it's a little bit more pricier. It was $24.99. So I really like that. So I'm just gonna put her right here. And I'll just show you guys. It looks so adorable. This really gets me in the cute little mood. We'll put my favorite little stuffed animals here. Then I got this really fun lavender decorative wreath. It's so pretty and I was just so attracted to this color. It's very calming. This one is from Farmer's Market and this was $24.99. Super pretty, super spring, loves her. Cute. I still haven't like completed like my room transformation. There's still some pieces that I want to get and I'm still debating about. So that's why I haven't hung my wall art yet because I don't know if this bed is still going to stay in the middle of my room. I'm going to be adding some rugs. I'm really still debating if I should get like a little lounge sofa, a mini TV stand, and yeah, I definitely want to get like also a yoga mat because my son and I both like to work out and he likes to come in here to work out. So yeah, we can definitely do that. But I did get this. I think it's really cool. It's like rattan style. It's a mirror and it's got like little hooks that you can put your keys on and things like that, or hang your coat, your bag, my work bag or whatever bag. So yeah, I really love it. So it's $29.99. I just think it's gonna go really good with, like, I have this beautiful wall art fan. So it's just kind of like really calm, modern, and minimal style. And then I got some pieces, some other items that I need to get. My son just needs a complete new wardrobe. He's becoming a teen this year. So I just got him some like staple pieces. This white shirt is super soft. It's a V-neck crew. Yeah. He's always asking me if I have a white shirt for him, and I don't. So I figured the next time he asks me, I'm gonna have that white shirt for him. And then I got a 2-pack of these like bras and everything. because they're like super comfortable and there's no wire in them, and it's just really, again, comfortable. So I'm really happy. I already wore it. It came with a pink or like a peach color, and I'm just getting all these types of bras because it's more comfortable, like I said, for me. And I think it's all about comfort. Your garments should not be this uncomfortable. You should be able to move freely, you know? And so that's what this does. This brand is Danskin. I also always get new underwears. They're all seamless underwears. So I just love that. Really pretty. It's a 5-pack. Can't go wrong with these. And the whole set was only $11. And then I also got some more of these. These are Anne Klein. This one is like a seafoam green. Again, there's no underwire, and it's got just enough padding to make sure it covers the nipple area, which is really important. But it has enough support, and so I really like that. It's really pretty, like a light lavender. Every time I go to TJMAXX, I always look for these like containers. These containers are super easy to like pack your lunch in. And so they have like different like colors of this design, but yeah. 20 pieces for only $7.99, which is a really good deal. Black crew neck t-shirt, all cotton, super comfortable because he loves his comfort. And then I also got 2 like jockey, like very like thin, comfortable like shorts that have like little zippers on the sides, but he's already used them, so yeah, that's great. And then every time I go to TJMAXX now, I always get these like socks for work. This one came in a pack of $9.99, and I got 10 of them. So like $1 each, which is a really good deal. They're really good quality too. They're nice and thick. So I really like that. And then I got my son a wallet. It was only $9.99. This is from Mountain Stone brand. And I really love it because it's like 100% leather. And I just think, oh, he looks so handsome in this style. So again, very minimal. And he just needs to give it up. I swear he's left his wallet literally under the bed. So I found his wallet, and this is what he had before, and he's a teenager, so I need to make sure like now he has something that's, oh, it smells so good, like leather. It looks like that. It's really nice and earthy, very minimal. Yep. And yeah, he needs to change this out. I mean, this was cute 2 years ago. And the last thing I got was just these really cute little Easter towels. I've got a little cute baby bunny, makes me want to pamper, and that's exactly where I'm going to put this. This is from Nicole Miller Home Collection, and this was only $7.99. A blue plaid with pink, and the other one is little pink bunny. There we go. It's so pretty and it's so cute, and it puts me in a really happy mood for spring. Yeah. When I got back home, I saw that I did get 2 more boxes in. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and I might as well unbox that too. Oh, so perfect. Oh yeah, my friend, he needed a USB cord for his gaming. And then I needed a new clothes steamer. This was like a 5-star rating on Amazon, or it was like an Amazon choice. I just didn't know how small it was gonna be, which I actually enjoy because I like more smaller things, smaller items. Oh my gosh, the sun is going down. Can I get this? Can I get this going? Ass! On my ass. What is this for? This is interesting. I've never used this like brush. Too high tech for me. It's too bougie. No, but this was really simple, and it's like super, it was affordable too. I forgot how much it was. I like how like this is a wide tip, so that way, yeah, that way it seems like it will do a more fast job when I'm steaming my clothes. I went to Bath and Body Works, and actually I decided, dolls, I'm probably gonna stop here because the lighting is not doing me any justice. If you want to see what I got from Bath and Body Works, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss up on any one of my uploads. And yeah, I will definitely be seeing you guys in the next video. Stay amazing, stay gorgeous, stay